Here at Elmco, we're in the middle of building 4 machines for a customer that's in the automotive industry. So right here is the load conveyor where they load the parts on and they make their way up and they drop into the tub up there at the very top, and then they drop into the media and the parts work their way down to the very end. And then down there where you see the doors open, there's an oscillator screener where the parts go across and the steel media falls through the screen. And then the media goes on a return conveyor in the very back and comes up the back there where you see that yellow guard and drops back into the back of the machine. So it's continuous through feed. So here's a screen deck. You got the steel media that would fall through the screen. Your parts would go across the screen and exit out the exit end. Again, your media falls through the screen and goes out on a return conveyor and returns up. So this is the exit conveyor. The parts would come off of the exit conveyor and fall onto this accumulation table, and then they would work their way down to the end and fall into a hopper. So this is the media return conveyor. The media comes out of the machine through the screener and goes up the conveyor. It comes up this return conveyor and it goes into this return chute and it falls right back into the tub.